Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a question that's probably crossed your mind if you're considering StashAway for your investment journey. How much can you actually deposit into your StashAway account? Is there a limit? Let's find out. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would there be a limit on how much I can invest? Trust me, it's a valid question. After all, more money invested, right? But the world of investments isn't always that straightforward. There are rules, regulations, and sometimes even limitations set by the investment platforms themselves. So, let's get to the bottom of this. Is there a maximum deposit for StashAway? Understanding investment limits. Before we jump into the specifics of StashAway, let's talk about investment limits in general. Why do they exist? Well, it's mainly for risk management purposes. Investment platforms want to ensure that they can manage the funds effectively and that they're not exposed to excessive risk. Additionally, there might be regulatory requirements that dictate certain investment limits. StashAway's investment structure. Now, let's focus on StashAway. To understand potential deposit limits, we need to grasp their investment structure. StashAway offers a range of investment portfolios tailored to different risk appetites and investment goals. These portfolios invest in a mix of assets like stocks, bonds, and other securities. Minimum investment amount. Interestingly, StashAway doesn't typically have a strict maximum deposit limit. Instead, they focus on minimum investment amounts. This means you can generally deposit as much as you want. However, there might be specific limitations based on the type of account you have or the investment goals you've set. Factors affecting deposit limits. Several factors can influence your potential deposit limits on StashAway. Account type. Different account types, e.g., individual, joint, corporate, might have varying deposit limits. Investment goals. If you're investing for a specific goal like retirement or buying a property, StashAway might have recommendations or limitations based on your financial plan. Regulatory constraints. Sometimes, regulatory bodies impose investment limits on certain types of investment products. Checking your deposit limit. The best way to determine your exact deposit limit is to check your StashAway account. They usually provide clear information about any restrictions or recommendations. You can also reach out to their customer support for clarification. Diversification and investment strategy. While there might not be a hard maximum deposit limit, it's essential to consider your overall investment strategy. Remember, diversification is key. Spreading your investments across different asset classes can help manage risk. So, to answer the question, what's the maximum deposit for StashAway? Generally, there isn't a strict limit. You can usually deposit as much as you want. However, factors like account type, investment goals, and regulations might influence your deposit amount. Always remember to do your own research and consider consulting with a financial advisor if you have significant investments. Disclaimer: this information is intended for general knowledge and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.